is Sherman. No. This is Cheetah. No. This is Mary Roberts coming to you live from Cypress, Texas. It is now sleeting down rain. Rain? Well, it's sleeting sleet, and there's ice everywhere to be seen. There are chunks, large chunks of ice, as you can see on the smoker. There are chunks of ice, as you can see on the grill. It's so frozen, I bet I can't open it. Oh crap, I can. In the dog bowl. Ice. Okay. So, yes, I put the ice there, but it hasn't melted all day long. And if you look on the eaves of the house, icicles. Do you know? I don't see them either. They're not there. But it is cold. Let me show you what we do down here in Houston, Texas, when we bring our animals in the house. Let me show you what we do north of Houston to build our snowmen. The city is closed. The schools are closed because it's cold. Reporting to you live from Cypress, Texas. Because it's cold, people.